Hey there, savvy shoppers. Shopping cart, welcome back to SmartPick Vault, your go-to spot for discovering premium Amazon deals you'll wish you grabbed sooner. Today, we've uncovered some limited-time discounts, up to 45% off on must-have gadgets and essentials. So grab a snack, sit back, and stay with us till the end, because each pick gets better, smarter, and more irresistible. And don't forget, the product links are in the description if something catches your eye. Let's dive in. Product 1. LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. First up, we've got the beauty essential that's become a nighttime ritual for millions, the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. This isn't just your average lip balm. It's a rich, ultra-hydrating overnight treatment loaded with vitamin C, shea butter, and muramura butter. Just swipe it on before bed and wake up to buttery soft, flake-free lips. No more chapped lips in the morning, even in dry climates or winter months. Over 34,000 reviewers have rated it a glowing 5 stars for a reason. Users love how a single jar lasts for months and keeps their lips glossy and nourished. And right now, it's up to 30% off. Perfect time to grab one for yourself or as a gift. Links in the description. Product 2. Vitamix 50-200 Blender. If you're serious about health, smoothies, or just tired of weak blenders that leave chunks behind, this next deal is for you. The Vitamix 50-200 Professional Grade Blender. This beast blends everything from frozen fruits and vegetables to hot soups, silky smooth every time. It comes with a massive 64-ounce pitcher, variable speed control, and a powerful motor that can even heat soup through friction alone. Perfect for meal preppers, families, and kitchen pros. Customers say it's a lifetime investment. One reviewer said, "I've had mine for over 8 years, and it still runs like new." And today, it's up to $150 off. Don't sleep on this one. Link below. Product 3. Toniebox Disney Starter Set. Next, let's talk about something magical for the little ones, the Toniebox Disney Starter Set Bundle. This isn't your average toy. It's a screen-free audio storytelling box that helps kids listen, learn, and play without distractions. It includes adorable characters like Woody, Lightning McQueen, Simba, Winnie the Pooh, and Playtime Puppy, each one unlocking different songs and stories when placed on the box. It's huggable, durable, and kid-friendly. No screens, no mess. Parents rave about how it keeps their kids entertained and engaged, especially on long trips or quiet time. With thousands of 5-star reviews and a big discount today, this is a deal you don't want to miss. Perfect birthday or holiday gift. Product 4. Fitbit Charge 6 Fitness Tracker. Now, if fitness is on your mind, meet the Fitbit Charge 6. This sleek tracker does more than count steps. It gives you real-time heart rate on gym equipment, tracks your workouts with built-in GPS, and connects with Google apps like Maps and Wallet. It includes a 6-month Fitbit Premium membership, so you get full access to guided workouts, sleep analysis, stress tracking, and more. Whether you're walking, running, cycling, or hitting the gym, it's got your back. One user wrote, "This is my personal trainer on my wrist, accurate, stylish, and super motivating." And yes, today, it's up to 25% off. Get it while it lasts. Product 5. Away Carry-On Luggage. Last but not least, let's talk about style and functionality on the go. The Away Carry-On Luggage in stunning sea green. This isn't just a suitcase. It's an experience. Lightweight, airline approved, with 360-degree spinner wheels, a TSA lock, and a sleek hard shell. It's the perfect travel companion, whether you're heading to the beach, a weekend getaway, or that long-overdue business trip. Thousands of reviewers praise its durability and design, calling it the best carry-on they've ever owned. Normally, it's a premium-priced item, but today's deal knocks off a big chunk. Trust us, you'll want to roll with this one. So there you have it, 5 unbeatable Amazon deals you don't want to miss, handpicked by SmartPick Vault. From beauty to fitness, kitchen to kids, and travel, we've got your wish list covered. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our daily deal drops. Remember, all product links are in the description. Grab them before the prices disappear. Catch you in the next one, and happy shopping. Shopping bags.